Our tug is now positioned underneath the tail. They are always rear entry. Now that we've got it here, we're lined up with the helicopter. We will choose which brackets to be used with this machine. The 429 utilizes these black brackets, a long one and a short one. The long one is the front, the short one is the back. The back feeds from forward to aft. The front feeds aft to forwards. Setting it onto the machine, you will set them back behind its two pins and in front of the two pins. This will allow the tug arms to properly seat. We have all four brackets placed on the helicopter roughly where they need to be. We verified this front area is clear of any obstacles that will impact the helicopter. We've taken multiple looks underneath the machine to make sure none of our antennas, none of our skids, nothing's going to be impacted, and the ground is smooth enough for the tug to operate. Now, typically with some help, either from the front or the back of the machine, you want to get eye level so you can see exactly where our tug is going in. And we're going to very slowly drive it forward under the helicopter, verifying that it is not impacting anything. The antennas are our main concern on the 429s. We're going to get it the majority of the way under the helicopter and just a little bit back so our brackets can connect. Now that we're at the side of the helicopter, we can undo our brackets, move our arms forward by lifting this pin up and letting it set down. Right now the tug is rearward, so that arm will be facing forwards. And then extend out. I'm going to get this into this slot. This arm will come forward with it. Verify that we have full contact. This pin on its safety will come in here. You will repeat this for all four. Now that all four arms are connected, the brackets themselves are safety pinned down. We'll notice the arms are not in their permanent spot yet. We will need to move the tug forward. Paying special attention to the antenna right here. On this machine, this one comes very close to touching the front of the tug. It is a very light touch on the throttle to move this tug forward. We're just gonna go forward until those pins start settling. Once you have brought the tug forward, verify that this pin is all the way down into its home. This safety pin is all the way down, and these are seated into their bracket. This helicopter is now ready to lift once you verify the two pins on every corner of the helicopter. To lift the machine, we're going to use our right thumb, verifying that everyone's fingers are clear. It's very likely that you'll have multiple people helping you with this, so just announcing lifting or something of the sort will help prevent that. Take your time as these brackets settle into their spot. Nice and slowly. Once we're a few inches off the ground, this is all the height this tug needs to move the helicopter. Just watch as you're walking around with the tug that it's not going to impact anything. As with all of the tugs, all aircraft movement, be sure to take it nice and slow. There is no rush. Verify your blade clearances as you're coming in, and pay attention to where you're driving. Once the machine is in place, this switch here, hold it down. That will lower the machine. This is as fast as it will lower. Bring it all the way down. Continue holding the button until the tug is fully lowered. These arms have 2 pins. Our first one is here. Go ahead and lift that all the way out. Our second one is this one down at the bracket. It is safety wired. Now we're going to lift this out. We'll have to move this backwards, spin it out. We'll allow this arm to come forward, slide in, come all the way back. That pin goes back down. This one comes out and it is off. The front is the longer brackets. Same thing on our rear, 2 pins. Pull the pin, pull this pin up. I'm going to lift this, come forward with it. That will come out. Your bracket's free. That slides in, this goes forward, and it secures in. Now that each bracket is undone, all 4 of them, all 4 arms are stowed interior. All 4 pins are back in. We can remove the dolly. You want to verify the antennas are not hooked on anything. We don't have anything on the underbelly of the helicopter that's going to interact with the tug. And we want to back the tug out as straight as we need to. We're going to hold the forward aft stick into reverse, steering with our thumb, and very slowly, watching as we're going through, back the machine out from under the helicopter. Stowage of the 429 bracket. Make sure this safety pin side is vertical. That will allow this to sit flush. The brackets for the 429 are able to live in this front compartment. If you have anything in the front compartment and you're going under one of the helicopters, be hyper vigilant of the front antennas to make sure none of these brackets will make contact with the helicopter. Particularly on the 407s, anything in here is able to come up into the belly of the machine.